Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make transparent text on Photoshop. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, we have to duplicate our layer. Now after that, go on the quick selection tool and then select your object and then click this select subject and then click OK. Now after that, click the mask right here, and then now you can add your text. Now adjust your text in the right position. Now after that, you have to duplicate your text. Just right click in your mouse and then select this duplicate layer. Now what you're going to do next is to right click again to your mouse and then convert it to shape. Now select the rectangle tool right here and then change the fill to none and then the stroke to color white. And then you can change its px right here. Now drag this layer under our mask layer. And then that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.